Hello. Welcome to the AirU Food channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most versatile and nutritious leafy greens, spinach. Spinach is not only packed with essential vitamins and minerals, but also incredibly delicious when cooked right. Join me as we explore some simple and tasty ways to cook spinach. 1. Sautéed garlic spinach. Let's start with a classic and easy recipe: sautéed garlic spinach. Begin by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add minced garlic and sauté for a minute until fragrant. Then, add fresh spinach leaves to the pan and toss gently to coat them in the oil and garlic. Cook for a few minutes until the spinach wilts down. Season with a pinch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a bright flavor. Serve as a side dish, or add it to pasta, omelets, or sandwiches for a nutritious boost. 2. Creamed spinach. If you're looking for a richer and indulgent spin on spinach, try making creamed spinach. Start by blanching the spinach in boiling water for a minute, then transfer it to an ice bath to cool. Once cooled, squeeze out any excess water and roughly chop the spinach. In a separate pan, melt some butter over medium heat and add minced garlic. Cook for a minute until fragrant. Add the chopped spinach and stir to combine. Pour in heavy cream, season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Cook until the cream thickens and coats the spinach. Serve this creamy delight as a side dish or alongside your favorite proteins. 3. Spinach and feta stuffed portobello mushrooms. For a unique and satisfying dish, let's make spinach and feta stuffed portobello mushrooms. Start by removing the stems from the portobello mushrooms and gently scrape out the gills with a spoon. In a pan, heat some olive oil and sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Add fresh spinach leaves and cook until wilted. Remove from heat and allow it to cool slightly. In a bowl, combine the spinach with crumbled feta cheese, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs. Fill the portobello mushrooms with the spinach and feta mixture. Then bake in a preheated oven at 375 F 190 C for about 15 to 20 minutes, until the mushrooms are tender and the filling is golden brown. Serve these flavorful stuffed mushrooms as a satisfying main course or appetizer. Remember, spinach is not only a great source of vitamins and minerals, but also a wonderful addition to a variety of dishes. So, get creative, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the benefits of this amazing vegetable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like are incredibly helpful for video production. See you next time.